comfort and precision in mind, ultimately making the job of an architect, designer or artist that little bit easier. The SpaceMouse models range from the small form SpaceMouse Compact up to the highly customizable SpaceMouse Enterprise, which I have with me in the studio now. So let's find out more. Now, as you'll agree, it certainly looks the part with a slick modern design that wouldn't look out of place in a professional environment. Ergonomics and ease of use are very much built into the design of the SpaceMouse Enterprise, helping to combat the aches and pains that are increasingly common amongst CAD professionals. As standard across the range, at the centre of it all is the controller cap, giving you 6 degrees of freedom, smooth and intuitive movements and 3D navigation. And as with all SpaceMouse models, it comes with the 3DXware 10 driver, which makes it easy to customise and optimise your device. What the SpaceMouse Enterprise here gives you is the addition of 12 application command buttons, 10 quick view keys, 8 keyboard keys and 3 custom view keys. 3DConnexion works with your favourite CAD applications such as AutoCAD, Inventor, SketchUp and SolidWorks, but also supports your favourite creative applications such as 3ds Max, Maya, Unreal Engine and Cinema 4D. In short, this is a great tool for designers and creators and those that require ultimate precision, comfort and ease, helping to make your working experience that much better with the customization and shortcut options. You can buy your 3DConnexion SpaceMouse Enterprise now at scan.co.uk, as well as check out the other products in the range.